To run GA4 migration, first you should select GTM account and GTM container. Next step, select existing GA4 account. GA4 Migrator loads the list of all GA4 properties, and you should select the right one. If property has more than one stream, you can also select the right stream. To start migration, click Run button. Migration will take some time because GA4 API has a very hard limit of 50 requests per minute. Waiting time really depends on the size of your GTM container. As soon as migration is completed, you will see a pop-up with a link to workspace. GA4 Migrator is absolutely safe to use as it creates a new GTM workspace and makes all the changes in this new workspace. So you can review all the changes before publishing them. Let's review one of the created GA4 tags, for example, add to cart. Open the tag, scroll to additional tag metadata, and you can find GTM copied from key. Copy the value, it's the name of the GA3 tag we migrated. Let's find this GA3 tag and compare it with the new GA4 tag. Now we have two tabs with two tags, and we can switch between them to see the difference. First of all, let's check that both tags have the same trigger. And then let's check GA3 category. Action and label were copied to corresponding event property. Last but not least, the name of GA4 event was created based on GA3 tag name and following the Google recommended style.